is there a universal standard of beauty? And I think that I'm going to answer that question from the plastic surgical perspective, and I'm going to give you an opportunity to answer that from the esthetician perspective. So, from the plastic surgery perspective, there was a time 15 years ago where I would go to a plastic surgery meeting and people would talk about the standard of beauty. And they would invariably be referring to somebody of Northern European extraction,
Absolutely.
and
Blonde, blue
they would
eyes.
imply that
Mhm.
a nose needs to have a certain proportion or a look and a face and so on and so forth. And there was never any um, reference to people of non-white heritage, frankly.
Right.
So that has changed quite a bit as other racial and ethnic groups have become more involved in all of mainstream American desires and passions, including aesthetic surgery, and that's a good thing. Um, but so to answer the question, is there a universal standard of beauty? I would have to say no. There is not a universal standard of beauty. However, within a specific racial population, and even more specifically within an individual face, the beauty comes from the proportion that's present in that face. And when I say proportion, I'm talking about ratio of sizes and distances within the face. Now, that's not something that you're going to hear very many places, but